Welcome to ESOLish. Today, let's learn about some useful kitchen tools. These tools help us cook, cut, and prepare food easily. Saucepan. A saucepan is used for cooking soup, boiling water, or making sauces. Example, I am boiling pasta in a saucepan. Rolling pin. A rolling pin is used to roll out dough for bread, pizza, or cookies. Example, I use a rolling pin to make chapati. Ladle. A ladle is used to serve soup or stew. Example, he is serving soup with a ladle. Tin opener. A tin opener helps open cans easily. Example, use a tin opener to open the tin of beans. Peeler. A peeler is used to remove the skin from vegetables and fruits. Example, I am peeling a carrot with a peeler. Tongs. Tongs help you pick up food safely, like hot toast or salad. Example, use tongs to turn the meat on the grill. Scissors. Scissors are used to cut herbs, vegetables, or open packets. Example, she is cutting fresh herbs with scissors. Whisk. A whisk is used to mix ingredients like eggs or batter. Example, whisk the eggs before frying them. Now you know some useful kitchen tools. What do you use the most in your kitchen? Subscribe to ESOLish for more easy English videos.